Alright, this is the elevator here at Best Buy in Wauwatosa, Wisconsin. And this takes you up to the restrooms, as you can see. And you take this elevator to get up there. We have a Schindler 338 to ride. 2. Here we go. Here are 2, 1. Door goes blunt does not work, as usual. Cab view. It's a basic cab. This is not really as fancy as you may think it would be. It's your indicator. HD premium fixtures. 2,500 mile capacity. It's your COP. We're doing a ride. And I want to show you something weird once we get it back up to 2. It's a little bit rumbly. Don't really think it's low on oil, but it kind of feel like it is. The weird thing is here, look at this. This elevator, look at, and right here, this wall, this is the shaft. Why is this not glass? Yeah, you can tell. Yeah, this elevator could easily be made glass. I don't know why they didn't do that. We'll watch the button go out. It's a decent 338. Although, again, this is not really as special. And one thing I noticed about the day code, it's very weird because it says 11-17. Ring the bell. It says 11-17, but this thing may be older than that. It was probably just a typo, I think. I believe this is like a 2007 install. There it goes in. That'll be it.